Hello everyone. In this video, we're just going to try to install the PowerShell on Mac OS, and this is Mac M1 that I'm using at the moment with 16 gigs of memory, 1 terabyte hard drive. So in this one, if you look at the installing PowerShell on Mac OS, seems pretty simple. All you need to do is run the command brew install cask PowerShell. Only thing that you need to make sure that you have the brew installed in your Mac, and you can pretty much go to this particular homepage for brew.sh, and they have this command already that you can copy, and you go back to the terminal and pretty much just paste the command in there. So what it's gonna do, it's download the file, okay, from the install.sh file, and then you provide your sudo password, okay, and then it will get the file from the GitHub. Okay, once it's all done, okay, it's gonna run the command and install the homebrew for you in your Mac. So once that's done, the only other thing that you need to do is make sure that you are adding the path. So you'll do echo and eval, these two commands right here. So it will tell you, so that will show up in your command output. So just pay attention, copy this one and run it, and you should have brew installed in your machine. So if I do a clear, and then do brew, and look at that, I have the brew command is now available to me, right? So what I'm gonna try now is just go back, and from here brew install, I'm gonna copy that one, I'm gonna paste it over here, and this one is for installing my PowerShell in my Mac M1 version. So far it's going pretty well. So let's almost download it. Yeah, so there looks like there are multiple uh, libraries that it's downloading at the moment. So let's just go back over here and see what else that you need to do. So this pretty much looks like that's the only one command can install the PowerShell in your Mac M1, and then just to verify that your install is working properly, you can just run this pwsh for PowerShell, and that's about it. And when the new version is released, you can also do brew update and then brew upgrade PowerShell cask. So let's see what is going on. So here looks like what it has done. It's downloading the package for PowerShell, right, from GitHub, and then it's now installing the cask PowerShell, running the installer and looking for my password. So come back over here, so let's provide the password, and once you provide the password, let's see, hopefully, yeah, it says the installation is now successful. The package name is PowerShell 7.1.2. so at this time, if I do pwsh, I should be able to see that I have the PowerShell that's now available to me. It's from the Microsoft Corporation. If you want more information, you can go there. Here is my PowerShell command, ps users unconversion. That's similar to what you see in Windows. And now you can start writing anything you want, writing your PowerShell script. So there we go, I did help, and it's just giving you some help and helping you to get started. All right, this all I wanted to show in this particular video, just to prove that PowerShell is still working in your Mac OS system with the silicon chip M1, and go and have fun, start writing some PowerShell stuff. Thanks for watching, have a good day, bye bye.